And I'm sorry, I don't have a silver bullet for this, but a lot of times you're wondering, am I even calling the right number? Some of the times we find out that we're not, right? And then our emails bounce back. So here's what the question, there's no definitive yes or no answer, column 4, column 5. Here's what you need to do. You need to take inventory of how many prospects are out there. Identify as many of those prospects as you can. And then comes the balancing act. And this is like where Chelsea's at right now. Then comes the balancing act of how often do I make these calls, how many touches, and this is where you just for your particular industry and your particular message need to figure out what's that optimum bandwidth of trading, because it might be 2 calls, but then what if on the 6th call, I call Rich 6 times in 3 weeks and I do that, but then I get 2 deals. I'm like, well, that must be it. I don't know if that's it. Because how many people did I piss off by calling them too much? And how many people could I have not called because I didn't have time in the day? For me, I would rather call everybody. If I have an unlimited amount of prospects, the minimum, I would love to call everybody once a year, right? And then twice a year, and then 3 times a year. But if I'm calling somebody once a week, I better have some intel that's that person, that they're hot, that they really are a good prospect. And then also I would challenge you to go, well, then how do you find more of them, right? Like you don't have to be monogamous in sales. You're getting no points for monogamy, right? Nobody is like, how many people did you ask to the dance, right? You can ask everybody to the dance from every school district in the nation, right? Your job is to go to prom. They don't know how many people you've asked to the dance. So I would find as many of those people as possible and figure out a balance between making sure that you're not ignoring them, but also making sure that you're not ignoring the others. And that's where I don't know how many, ideal prospects you have.
Hey Dad, what's an easy way for salespeople to make a lot more money right now?
I got you and I got you. It's to learn how to close. It's the simplest thing that I teach. And people that know how to close, boom, they start making a lot more money. And I'm gonna pay $300 for you to learn how to close right here, right now. It's the closing mini masterclass from me, from Easton University. I'm gonna give it away to you for free right now. Click the link and I will send you the closing mini masterclass for free. You're gonna make a lot more money. They're gonna make a lot more money. You're gonna make a lot more money. I want you to take it too, all right? We'll see you on the other side. Grab the closing mini masterclass.